Hey artists, in this video we're going to talk about how to start a graphite transfer on canvas art project. For this project you're going to need a printed out image that's going to be clear and easy for you to trace. On the back of your canvas you're going to fill out the title, which is who you are drawing for the project, your name, you are the artist, the medium is graphite transfer on canvas. We're using acrylic paint. And you can add the date now, but save the signature for when we're done with the project. Put the canvas to the side for now. You're going to take your image and flip it over to the back. You'll use a pencil to shade the entire back of the paper with graphite. So the pencil is made with graphite and we're going to transfer the graphite to our canvas by applying pressure to the front of the image. So you might want to turn the paper so that way you can color over the entire image and have no gaps or little holes. You're going to want to turn and shade the entire back of the paper with the pencil. You might also want to hold your image up to the window so that you can see the light passing through. If there's any areas that your drawing is not shaded on the back, just go back over it again. And that's what I did on this bottom section of the paper. I went and colored back in the areas where I needed a little extra graphite. You need to decide if you want to hold the canvas horizontally or vertically for your artwork, and I decided to put it horizontally. You're going to use some masking tape and create a tape hinge. So you're going to take some masking tape off the roll and you're going to stick the masking tape to your clothing, so your pants or your shirt, and then you're going to take the tape off. By doing that, it'll make the tape less sticky and not abrasive to the surface of the canvas. You're going to create a tape hinge either on the top or the side. I'm choosing the side because there's nothing where I'm sticking the tape that's going to interfere with what I'm tracing. I can open and close the paper with my tape hinge so I can check my work as I'm going. You're going to start tracing over your image and you'll see the graphite transfer process begin. I prefer to use a pen for this. A pencil you might need to keep resharpening, but a pen is always going to stay nice and sharp. Take your time carefully to go over all of the lines using a pen and continue tracing all elements of your drawing. I like using the tape hinge because I am able to open and close and check to make sure that I've included all of the elements of my drawing as they get transferred onto the canvas. I like this because I can make sure that if there's something I missed, I just close it back up and add those details and continue them. Once I'm done with pencil, I'm moving on to an ultra-fine Sharpie marker. I'm using the ultra-fine Sharpie marker to trace over all of my pencil details. I left my reference image taped on in case there was something I was unsure of, or if something got blurry or smudged, I could fold it back over and check my lines that I need to add to my drawing. So go over your drawing using the Sharpie marker and check your work as you go so that you can make sure that your outlines are nice, clean, and easy for you to see. Outlining with the Sharpie marker is going to help us when we continue to paint our project.